I'm Mike Gemstone. We're going to be shooting today, April 18th, 2020. This video is going to be posted for the Virginia Precision Rifle Club. And today we're shooting for a Reeser Precision Game Changer. Alright, we're going to be shooting the PRS Skills Stage 2. And this is normally shot off of a barricade, 8 shots, 2 shots at each level, 400 yards, 10-inch target. However, since we're still on quarantine, we're going to do a little home practice today. So we're going to mix things up. We're going to be using our 22 caliber air rifle. We're going to be shooting at 20 yards. If you do a little math, that gives us a half-inch target. But spice things up, we're going to be shooting good old-fashioned US Don. Now this is actually 0.7 inches, but I think you guys can cheat me the 2/10. All right, I'm going to go ahead, take the rifle. I've got the barrel open. There is already a pellet in there, but the barrel is open for safety. And I'm going to step off camera with the gear at the ready position, at the beep. I'll approach the barricade, take the 8 shots. Okay, as always, got our safety equipment. Got to practice like you play. Ears in, eyes on. Okay, finger off the trigger. Rifle stays pointed down range. We'll take our bag. Shooter ready.
Beep.
A little bit low. Try to adjust up just a hair. All right, that's our 8 shots. Gonna go and open the barrel up, keep that gun pointed down range. The range is now cold. Take our ears off. Well, we're gonna go down range, see how we did, but that's our 8 shots, PRS Skills Stage number 2. Again, this is for Virginia Precision Rifle Club, and want a big shout out to Reeser Precision, and look forward to seeing that game changer. All right, y'all stay safe. Good shooting.